Hi, YouTube. Miles551 here. Today I'm going to be reviewing Lost Magic on the Nintendo DS. First of all, I want to say I don't know why everyone hates on this game because I like this game a lot. I think it's a good RPG. I mean, the only thing that kind of puts me off is that when you touch your character, it just does a box around him. It's like, I mean, I get the point. I get that that you've selected your character when you see the box, but couldn't they have done better? I mean, this is made, I guess 2006, not too recent, but awesome RPG. I bought this for my friend too because it was only $2 for me and only $2 for my friend. But you know, I mean, I don't mean to sound cheap, but it's a good game. So you can, you tame monsters with spells. You draw spells on the on the touchscreen, like a mini, not really mini games, but like it doesn't pause the game either. So it's definitely a real-time strategy game. If you ever played Blue Dragon Plus on the Nintendo DS, it's kind of like that. Awesome game, by the way, Blue Dragon Plus. Get that. I'd give this an 8 out of 10. It's a good game, especially because, I'm saving up for a game right now, but I see a Nintendo DS game for $2. I'm not gonna not buy it, so definitely pick that one up. Thanks, and good night.